you can get a better understanding before installing. Take off the ear cushion. Unscrew the screws, number 1. Please retain them. Remove the black plastic base and be careful not to damage the internal cables of the headphones. You can see the details above. Remove the plastic part on the side without the headphone cable first, according to the picture above. Then, remove the side with the cable. Be careful not to damage the headphone cable. Unscrew the screw, number 2. Please retain it. Remove the rubber rings. You won't need them anymore. Use the needle to pry open the plastic part. Gently lift the other side, then take out the plastic part downward. Use the needle to pry out the U-shaped iron piece. Take out the plastic part. Cut a small notch at the top of the original plastic part, as you won't need it anymore. Then, you can separate these two parts without damaging the cables. Use the needle to slightly pry open a small opening in the plastic part. Remove the plastic part downward. Otherwise, you may break the protrusion on the top. Insert the cable through the notch at the top. Align the top of the plastic part with the headphone arm. Insert the new U-shaped iron sheath, as shown in the picture, to fix the arm and the headphone base. Press the cable into the cable slot. Align the protrusion and insert it into the top slot. Align and fix the dowels with the positioning holes. In fact, it doesn't affect the functionality even without the dowels. Twist in the screw, number 2. Pinch the plastic part and insert the side with the headphone cable into the headphone base first. Pull the plastic part diagonally upward. Slide the feet of the plastic part into the holes along the headphone base. Ensure the headphone cables are not squeezed together. Put on the headphone base cover. Twist and screw. Please install the other side.